Black. That's the package that you came in. African, Ethiopian, Nubian.
What's up, y'all? It's West Indie Ray back again with another video. Now today I want to share with you guys my manifestation story. I want to tell you guys how I manifested money within like 5 days, and it was crazy. And I want to share with you guys how you can do this as well. It's super simple, takes a little bit over 1 minute, and you guys, I'm telling you, it works. Also, if you see me looking down at all, it's because I have my handy dandy notebook that I got from Target. It's really cute. It says it's written in the stars and it has constellations on it. So if you see me looking down at all, it's because I have prepared some notes for you guys so that I don't forget anything or leave anything out. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I was talking to my friend, Miss Whitney Michelle, and whenever I feel like I don't have as much money as I would like to in my bank account, which is pretty much always, because you know, we always want more as people, I always joke around and I say, you know, I'm piss poor, oh my god, blah blah blah. So what you think in your mind becomes your reality, okay? So you should really be careful about what you say about yourself and about your life, because yourself, the universe, is literally listening to you. So be mindful of that, you guys, all right? So Whitney, because she's such an awesome friend, she also takes note of how I talk about myself and how I talk about my life. She like puts it right in its place, and I do the same thing for her. That's why we're like matches made in heaven. So she's like, Reagan, you are not piss poor. Like, cut that out, because you know that if you talk about your life like that, it's actually what is going to come into fruition. And I was like, you know what, girl? You right. And I just completely said, cut the script, change it, stop, flip it, touch it, ring it, babe, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, run it back. And I stopped myself and I said, you know what? I'm not piss poor. I'm not piss poor at all. I have money in my account. All I gotta do is find a way to access it. From there, the ball started rolling, okay? Then I watched this video by Leeor, Alexandra, whom I love so much. Because for some reason, even though I know the basic principles of manifestation and stuff like that, it's kind of like with my hair. Like, I know how to do my hair, but I will look up videos on how to do curly hair until the day that I die. So I watched her video called How to Attract Anything in 17 Seconds, and I used the practices in that video. I will link it down below. So basically, she uses Abraham Hicks' rules to manifestation. It's the 17-second rule. And what you do is you sit and you get your head in a great mind space. You think about how grateful you are for everything that you have, for all the things that you're receiving, that you have received, and that you will receive. You think about how special it is to be in the place that you are right now, because right now is the perfect point of manifestation for anything you want. And you just really focus in on how your point of attraction is right now. And then you go into creating your actual points of attraction, okay? And you do this by focusing. So what you do is you set your timer on your phone, on your computer, on your microwave. I hope you guys don't use microwaves, but if you do use them, the best way is not to heat your food, but to set timers for your manifestation practices. So you set your timer for 17 seconds and you just focus on what it is that you want for 17 seconds straight. You don't have any conflicting thoughts, because those are toxic. It's literally self-sabotage. You don't come at it from, you know, a desperate place, because there's no reason to be desperate. Having that desperation on your breath when you're saying these manifestations is just going to, you know, transmit into self-doubt. It's negative. You're going to come at it from a perspective of you already receiving these blessings. You're going to really focus on what you're going to feel like once you actually have the thing or the person or whatever it is that you want in your life. If you're looking for a good relationship, you're going to focus on how that relationship will make you feel. If you're looking for money, you're going to focus on, I'm going to be able to do this with the money or that with the money. If you're wanting to do a nonprofit organization, you're going to think about all the smiles on these cute little kids' faces once you create your organization. You're not going to think, oh, it's going to be hardship getting there. Oh, what if it doesn't work? Cut it. You're thinking about all the good things and how amazing and awesome you're gonna feel once you have what it is that you want. Now, after the 17 seconds is over, you are going to set your timer for an additional 51 seconds. And if you can't do 51 straight seconds, I'm sure that you can do like 17, 17, and 17, but in the end, it's all a total of 68 seconds. And again, you're gonna focus on your desires without contradiction, okay? That is literally the most important thing, because remember, I said that your thoughts become your reality whether you like it or not. Now, after this is over, you're going to thank God or source or spirit or the universe or however you address the higher power. You're just gonna thank the higher power for allowing you to have this time, you know, just to express yourself and make it clear what your desires and your wants and your needs are. You're just gonna take the time to just be so grateful, and then you are going to literally push that in the back of your head and continue with your daily tasks and be productive, so that you're not gonna focus on, why haven't I had this thing yet? It's been 5 days, oh my God, it only took Ragin 5 days, blah, blah, blah. Like, you're gonna completely forget about it and let it naturally form and come to you. Because trust and believe that everything you want and need it exists, or it's being created and it's on its way to you. And then after that, you literally just wait and see what happens. In my case, I did my manifestation. I focused for all 68 of those seconds, and I just threw it in the back of my mind and had this peace that everything's gonna work out. Faith is just an underlying aspect to pretty much all spirituality. So what I did is I just let it go, pushed it in the back of my mind, had faith that it was gonna work out, and I continued with my daily operations. I was going to work, I was hanging out with friends, I was living my life as if I already was secure in what I wanted. So what my specific manifestation was that I asked for is, I said it was already, the money's already in my bank account, I already have it, I just have to find, you know, my outlet to get it. I just have to figure out how to reach it. So I ended up randomly like around this lady who I'd never seen before in my life, and she was just pressuring me about this account that I had kind of just heard about in passing, but I never really took the time to actually, you know, explore and see if mine was activated or if there was anything in there or what have you. And she told me, she said, you're not leaving me today without looking at this account. And I was like, okay, I don't know if she's trying to be nosy or what, but cool, I'll figure it out. And lo and behold, when I looked in this account, there was buku money in there. And it was exactly what I asked for. I said, I already have the money, it's in my account. I just have to find a way to, you know, access it. I wasn't thinking literally that this would literally happen to me. I was just like, you know, trying to manifest, like, yeah, it's already there, it's already taken care of. But no, the money was actually in my account. And there's no loopholes, there's no strings attached, like it's literally all my money. And I was just amazed that it would happen so literally. And I was just like moved to express this and share it with you guys, because it was by far like one of the most reassuring things that I've ever experienced in my life. Like, if I ever doubted the power of source or God or universe or however you say it, I can't doubt, you know, I have an everlasting amount of faith in God. I have an everlasting amount of faith in myself, and that I can really manifest my desires in my life. And I just want you to be, you know, an active player in your life, and what happens to you and how you move through life will completely change afterwards. You get this confidence that you never had before. You know, it's just really amazing. So I hope this helps you guys, and I hope that you are able to explore and learn more about yourself and the things that you can do in this world. And I just hope that you find light in everything that you do. If you have a manifestation story, please drop it below, because I really want to hear about it. If you guys like this type of content that, you know, I posted today, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Again, I'm gonna leave the video link to Leeor Alexandra's video, How to Attract Anything in 17 Seconds, in the description box down there. So please check that out as well. She's amazing. And if you guys like some of this like spirituality type stuff, feel free also to look at my Instagram, because I have a pinned story on there all about spirituality and things of that nature. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I just wanted to come and share my story with you, and maybe, you know, hype you up to take the reins in your life and see just how far you can go with working with the universe. So I love you, And I will see you soon, and let me know if you need anything or have any questions, or let me know if you love me. Leave a heart down below if you made it to the end of this video. Again, love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.
Using no relaxer, even to my lock queens. Oh, you give me lock dreams wrapped up wild. Oh, even when you braid it.